टेलीग्रामर्स अर्न करो से इतना कमा रहे हैं, कितना पता है? 5 लाख महीने का, 10 लाख महीने का। लास्ट वीक वी इंटरव्यूड निखिल हु अर्न्स 35 to 40 lakhs a month.
कंटेंट क्रिएशन के बारे में क्या बोलोगे आज की दुनिया में?
If it comes naturally to you, do it. It's not a must-have to succeed. I haven't seen the physics wala founder make content, but what a kick-ass business! What a great company!
Talk about Ratan Tata. How did you meet him?
As a cashback business, one of the things that ऐसा सच्ची में आएगा, and the fact that people say because Mr. Tata backed, I know कि आपको trust तो कर सकते हैं.
As a couple, बनाना चाहिए स्टार्टअप या नहीं बनाना चाहिए? 1.5-2 करोड़ रेस करने की रेसिपी बताओ.
When you are raising money, essentially there are 5 things that every investor is looking for.
Any sectors, any ideas that you think?
So I think
What's your motivation of building the startup? Power, fame, money?
I think for us,
Great, yeah. Thank you so much. We have for the first time a founder couple on the show.
oh, nice.
So welcome guys on the Akash Gupta show.
thank you so much.
Happy to be your debut.
Yeah, I know कितने डेब्यू करे होंगे तुम लोग ने लाइफ में. Yeah. But let's first start because couple से पहला सवाल तो ये पूछा जाएगा कि कैसे दोनों ने साथ में सोचा कि बिजनेस बनाना है, right? And we'll keep it English, we'll keep more Hindi English. But yeah, how come you guys thought? क्योंकि बहुत सारे कपल्स बोलते हैं भाई हम तो काम ही नहीं कर सकते, you know, साथ में, और आप लोग 11 साल से कैश करो बना रहे हो, right? तो just talk about the journey. How did this happen? How did you meet? Why entrepreneurship? Let's start with that.
Why don't you start with how we met, and then I can talk about.
Okay. Well, so हम दोनों लंदन स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़े थे और ये मेरा 1 साल सीनियर था रोहन. ठीक है, तो एक दिन मेरे जो इंडियन फ्रेंड्स हैं वो कह रहे हैं कि हम ना अपने सीनियर के घर डिनर के लिए जा रहे हैं, वो दाल और भिंडी बना रहा है. तो मैंने कहा ये कौन सा सीनियर है जो खुद बना रहा है दाल और भिंडी, आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू गो. सो मैं उनके साथ लग ली बिकॉज एज अ स्टूडेंट फ्री खाना मिल रहा है इंडियन खाना लंदन में, वाई वोंट यू गो. सो वी गो टू हिज हाउस एंड ही इज़ लाइक दिस वेरी स्वीट गाय हु हैज़ कम से कम 20-25 लोग देर, जो मेरे जैसे और भी लोग आ गए थे साथ में, यू नो, एंड छोटा सा अपार्टमेंट लंदन का. एंड ही हैज़ मेड ब्यूटिफुल फूड, दाल भिंडी ग्रेवी वाला पनीर. ओके, एंड जो बाकी गेस्ट हैं उनका काम सिर्फ ये कि तुम लोग सफाई कर लेना बाद में, बट कुकिंग ये कर लेंगे हेड शेफ. सो आई हैड हिज फूड एंड इट वाज आल्सो रियली गुड. सो ऐसे बंदा तो अच्छा है, यू नो. देन सो बट वी बिकेम फ्रेंड्स आफ्टर दैट एंड वी वर एक्चुअली सो देन आई ग्रेजुएटेड एंड ही वाज माय 1 year सीनियर. तो ये ऑलरेडी ही हैड फाउंड एन अपार्टमेंट टू स्टे. सो आई गॉट अ जॉब एट गोल्डमैन सैक्स टू डू इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग. So I said, great, now we have to find a place to live.
And at this point, it so happened that I was also looking for, because the flatmates that I was staying with, who were my friends from LSE, they were heading back. So they were both Singaporean. वो वापस सिंगापुर जा रहे थे. So I was like, look, I need to figure out a new flat arrangement. So I knew she was graduating. She had then messaged me saying, look, what are you doing? Right? So I said, look, I think I found a place. So if you're up for it, look.
मतलब वो जो टिपिकल एक लड़का देख रहा होता है एक जूनियर लड़की को, वही वाला सीन तो नहीं था.
At this point, I was just trying to figure out a flatmate. Baki, the story will continue.
And then we found a third one also. So I asked my parents कि एक मिल गया है जिसमें 1 guy 2 girls. They were like, पूरे लंदन में तुम्हें लड़का ही मिला फ्लैटमेट बनने के लिए. Why do you need a guy flatmate? I said, देखो अच्छा होता है, कभी बल्ब खराब हो जाए तो चेंज कर देगा, उसको कुकिंग भी आती है, कुछ और घर का काम हो तो कर सकते हैं, you know, so helpful to have a guy around. And I'm from Ambala. I grew up there. So my parents were like, "Chalo, theek hai. If you think that he's fine," and you know, we were friends. So as flatmates, you're like your flatmates, you're friends. You're like friend zoned, you know. So like nothing doing type of thing. And we started as flatmates. And I used to be working from सुबह 8 बजे मैं अपने डेस्क पे पहुंच जाती थी Goldman Sachs में, क्योंकि I was in investment banking, तो working hours are very long. और रोज रात को 12-1 बजे से पहले I wouldn't come home. तो शुरू के 2 साल तो I didn't even see them much. मतलब मेरा पता लगता था कोई रह रही है क्योंकि खाना रख के जाती है, कोई कपड़े धुलते हैं ना, अदरवाइज नोबडी यूज्ड टू सी मी मच. And I think in my third year, my parents were also asking me कि like लड़का देखते हैं तुम्हारे लिए, and my dad said shaadi.com पे देखेंगे ये वो. I said please, you know, मेरे को देखने दो थोड़ा. Then I used to tell them कि आप देखो, but लड़का ना ऐसा देखना who's as nice a guy as Rohan is. And they were like, I said, yeah, he's such a nice person, and I'm really attracted to his niceness and kindness as a person. So find that in a guy. They were like, हम कहाँ से लाएंगे? But anyways, I started thinking, when I keep saying like Rohan, then why not Rohan? So then I started dropping some hints.
Oh, you started dropping some hints.
But 3 साल पहले he had once told me that he liked me, but that was like in passing, you know. तो वो गई होगी थी बात.
मैंने एक बार like you know ना like we were in a group, तो मैंने कुछ बोला था, again nothing happened, but and then you know once we were in the friend zone, flat zone, mate, I was like very clear कि look, there is a line I cannot cross, right? Because as a boy I have to, you know, keep that line and all of that. So when she started dropping hints,
I started picking them up. He wants to say.
I was waiting for it.
and then it went into acceleration mode, right? So I think,
So we started dating after that. Yeah.
and literally within 2 months of that, family was aware of it, and they were like, yeah. So imagine, like, you know, she's gone and told her parents, ki, you know, there is a boy, I'm staying with him, light bulb change karega, you know, like all of that. And suddenly you're like, okay, now you're dating this boy, right? So the whole paradigm has shifted. Something now is very different. And I think that the question started to come, ki, yaar, what are you thinking? Because you've known each other from college, you've lived with each other, you know everything about each other. And I think the first time we were asked the question, we were like, we've just started dating, देखते हैं क्या होता है. And the question was, what do you mean देखते हैं क्या होता है?
3 साल से एक दूसरे को जानते हो और क्या देखना है तुम्हें? My mom used to ask. They're like, you've seen each other in your worst pajamas and you've seen each other at all times of the day and night, so nothing left to see. कुछ बात के लिए भी छोड़ दो, my mom would say.
So I think within, 2 months or 3 months of us starting to date, you know, the families had met. The families then had agreed that there is a date we're going to, you know, come back home, roka hoga. You know, so within, I think, a year, marriage dates were fixed. We got married.
Nice.
So after we got married, normally लोग weekend पे you know कुछ fun चीजें करते होंगे. He had this entrepreneurship thing in his mind कि मुझे तो अपना कुछ करना है. तो ये weekend पे बोले हम लंदन में रह रहे हैं, राइट? साउथ हॉल चलते हैं, वहाँ पे मुझे एक आइडिया है, वो एक्सप्लोर करना है. फिर एक दिन कहीं और चलते हैं, you know, सेंट जॉन्स वुड में जाके ये एक्सप्लोर करना है. तो हर वीकेंड हम कुछ ना कुछ सोचते थे.
And this is post-marriage.
This is post-marriage.
So because we were thinking together sometimes, the idea of doing a business together also came naturally to us without a proactive pros cons list.
Like with Swati, it was always very organic, right? In the sense that, look, come, let's explore, right? And this, because, you know, we came from a similar background, there was always a lot to discuss and brainstorm with each other, right? And I think in my financial services career, I had hit that point where I had stopped having fun, right? So
You were also in financial services?
I was also in financial services. So I used to trade. I was a trader for fixed income products. And I think it was great for about 5 years. And then I just stopped having fun, right? And, you know, I would, you know, come back home and I'd tell my dad that, look, maza nahi aa raha. And he was like, what do you mean maza nahi aa raha, right?
वो जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा वाला मेरे को फीलिंग याद आ रही है ऋतिक वाली.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Because people look at you कि you have such a good job in London, you've just got married, you've got your visas, मजा नहीं आ रहा.
And you know what? It's such a well-paying job. It's, you know, it's a great life. There's a lot of, you know, excitement at work. But I think I'd hit that point where the question I was asking myself is, can I do this for the next 20 years? And अंदर से एक आवाज was very clear कि नहीं यार, this life next 20 years is not possible. And started to figure out ki what else. So I think, in fact, before, you know, Swati and I had been gotten married, I had started to say ki, okay, what else can I do? And, you know, I was speaking to some people at, let's say, Reckitt Benckiser, HUL, and they were like, look, you can obviously come into this part of the world, but you start back from the bottom, right? And I was like, yo, look, pay grades are very different. Financial services really pays you well. So you take a massive pay cut, go all the way to the bottom and go up. I was like, yaar, ye to nahi ho payega. And in some sense, the only way out for me was entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
How do you kind of take control of your destiny, create, you know, at least an ambition of, you know, wealth and success and whatever else that that comes with it. And that's when, so when, you know, we got married, I was like, I have a bunch of ideas, and now, let's start to explore.
So we actually booked our honeymoon tickets. We went to Maldives via Quidco, which is a cashback app in the UK. And we used that to book on hotels.com, and we got about 20,000 rupees in cashback. So we were like, what's this site that's giving you money back for shopping? And why don't we know about it? Why doesn't anyone else around us know? तो ये तो बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है, जैसे कुछ आपको एक नई चीज मिलती है ना, उसकी एक्साइटमेंट होती है.
कैशबैक जब मिलता है तो मजा तो बहुत आता है.
Exactly. So then we just thought कि यार ये business अच्छा है, we should do this because as consumers we love the product, and as market size is huge because e-commerce बढ़ेगा, ये साथ बढ़ेगा, और कितने internet shoppers हैं, so there is a lot to be done here. Yeah, so we started in the UK actually, and we launched our which is our holding company now, called Pouring Pounds.
It's built in UK?
Yeah, it's a UK holding company.
It's a UK holding.
Wow, that's very unheard of.
So you know what? When we started off, right? This was at a point where we were already in the UK.
Yeah.
That's the world we knew. So we had never done anything in India.
And this was which year?
This was 2011.
Very early for Indian startup ecosystem also, by the way.
India mein, Flipkart maybe had started. I think was Amazon was not there, Myntra was not there, Jabong, like nothing was there. So what India had at that point was the travel OTAs, Make My Trip, Yatra, as the two big boys, maybe something from Times Internet, maybe one or two things there. But again, nobody had solved for cash on delivery, so e-commerce was very, very new. So, when we had this idea, we were like, look, UK is the right market, let's do it. We'll figure out India at some point. So we actually built our B2C and B2B business in the UK. So pouringpounds.com was the B2C site that we had created. And we started to tie up with all the large conglomerates and large e-commerce companies in the UK. So people like hotels.com, Booking, Tesco, Debenhams, Hamleys, etc., etc. And we got the model started.
For the UK customer.
For the UK customer. And I think there was a point where I was still doing my day job because we were like, look, both of us can't take the plunge. Swati sort of said, look, I'll go full time. I was still doing my day job, and I had sort of gotten to a place where I said, look, I just need to go into maintenance mode, right? Which is, what is the...
Naukri bachi rahe.
Naukri bach jaye, naukri rahe. What is the minimum I need to do? And also the fact that, look, truth be told, when you're starting off, everything is expensive, right? So simple things like getting printouts and getting, stuff done, and because like you're in the UK, right? Everything is, it's a pound to get a printout.
I know.
So अगर हमें pitch decks बनाने हैं, वो सब करना है, then just some of that access and resource is very, very important. So I think for about, so we set up everything. We had, we figured out tech, we figured out people, we figured out,
वो सब वहीं था या India?
Largely India. We figured that part out, and very small 2-3 people team. We had a CTO sorted, etc. And we said, okay, let's figure out things along the way. And our first big break, which happened, I think, 2 months or 3 months into the business, was with Daily Mail.
Actually, both of us, because we were in financial services, हमने अपनी LinkedIn प्रोफाइल भी नहीं बनाई थी. आज हम लोग कितना एक्टिव हैं, मैं एटलीस्ट काफ़ी एक्टिव हूँ सोशल मीडिया पे, बट उस समय एक LinkedIn प्रोफाइल भी नहीं थी. आई यूज्ड टू थिंक क्या करना लोगों से कनेक्ट करके, अपना जॉब कर रहे हैं, आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं, खत्म.
LinkedIn has also just come up at that.
Today, mobile phone is a bigger addiction than cocaine.
Yeah.
I've read some of these stats, which is true. And at that time, it was very different. We didn't care for the mobile phone as much, right? And social media it didn't have you, the way it has you today. So for us, we said, okay, never mind, LinkedIn banaya. And then we wrote to the Daily Mail saying ki we've started this Pouring Pounds, and why don't we come and set up your rewards portal so that you as a newspaper can offer this as a benefit to your audience. So that was our pitch, ki B2B karenge and we'll set it up for others. So we actually, and it was our dream that Metro न्यूज़पेपर के लिए उनकी कैशबैक ऐप चलाएं, बिकॉज हम जब रोज ऑफिस जाते थे तो ट्यूब में वहाँ पे मेट्रो में फ्री न्यूज़पेपर देते हैं मेट्रो, एवरीबडी इज रीडिंग बट इट्स फुल ऑफ गॉसिप.
So to give everybody a little context, right? So in London, everyone is using the underground, the tube. And वहाँ पर every morning they would distribute this free newspaper called the Metro. And if you walked into the Metro any time between, let's say, 7 a.m. to midday, that newspaper would keep circulating, right? अंदर जाता था.
उसमें हमने अपनी ऐप चलाई।
कि उसमें हमारी अपनी डील आ जाए तो look, the distribution is unbelievable.
And you were able to crack that?
So we cracked this with the Daily Mail.
कैसे?
ऐसे ही हमने उनको लिंक्डइन पे मैसेज किया, तो देन दे सेड ठीक है आओ मीटिंग के लिए। सो वी वेंट फॉर अ मीटिंग, वी डिड 2 राउंड्स ऑफ मीटिंग्स। उसके बाद थर्ड राउंड वाज विद दिस गाय Alan, who was a very senior guy, and I think he was the guy who gave us the biggest break of our life because he saw us as 2 entrepreneurs who are going to
सपोर्ट करना है इनको,
Support करना
है
है
इनमें
इनको।
फायर दिख रही है।
fire दिख रही है। Was he Scottish? He was Scottish guy, and you know, and I think he gave us our first break where we got a subscription payment every month now from Metro. So उसके basis पे हमने अपनी यहाँ टीम शुरू करी। You know, we grew that business.
You got a good revenue out of that.
We got a good revenue out of that. Decent.
But you know, उस समय हमारे अंदर एक वो जैसे चुल होती है ना, वो चुल थी कि यार अगर यहाँ तो ये कर रहे हैं पर इंडिया में क्या हो रहा है इस समय। इंडिया में उस समय मिंत्रा, जबोंग, Amazon ये सब आ रहे थे। सो वी वर लाइक इफ वी एक्चुअली डू दिस ऐप इन इंडिया, ए विल बी द लार्जेस्ट कंज्यूमर फेसिंग बिजनेस इन कैशबैक बिकॉज वी विल बी द फर्स्ट टू किक ऑफ, एंड सेकेंड वील राइड द ई कॉमर्स वेव इन इंडिया. And third, which we didn't realize then is a very big problem to solve, which we know today is why we actually exist, is because all these e-commerce sites need to acquire customers and they need to bring down their CACs. The cost of customer acquisition in a fast-growing economy like India are very high.
Very high.
That's why the profitability doesn't come.
And you guys solved that problem?
Yes, and how we solve it is that, which is exactly what we did in the UK also, that we tell brands like Amazon, Flipkart, चाहे कोई D2C है, you know, Mamaearth, Wow, or a Booking.com, Travel, across the board we work with them. And we tell them that we will work with you on a performance marketing basis. हम आपको sales drive करेंगे, आप उस order के लिए commission देना.
New customer के लिए?
All, मतलब new and repeat, क्योंकि repeat किसका repeat, इतना loyalty तो ज़्यादा रह भी नहीं गया है. Repeat लाने के लिए भी one has to work.
See, if you think about all our behaviors, right, that every time we're about to buy something, you have a choice of going to Amazon or a Flipkart or a new D2C site or anyone who's saying that, hey, here is a great offer, right? So it's not that just because you've acquired that customer that one time, this is your customer. Think of travel.
It's never there.
It's never there, right? So travel may...
We are all deal seekers in India.
We're all opportunistic, right? We're opportunistic.
मजा आता है वो सब्जी में वो 1 रुपए कम हो जाते हैं ना, अच्छा लगता है.
धनिया मिर्ची के साथ तो बड़े हुए हैं.
हाँ, और धनिया मिर्ची फ्री चाहिए. That's what my mom has taught me all the time.
धनिया मिर्ची फ्री, अच्छा नहीं इतने का इतना, वो तो है ही. हम कह रहे हैं बार्गेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप कैश करो से जाके किसी भी साइट पे शॉप करो, तो जो भी आप खरीदोगे उसको आप उस पर आपको हमारी तरफ से एक्स्ट्रा कैशबैक मिलेगा. सो इफ यू गो, लेट्स से यू शॉप एट फॉक्सटेल, इट्स अ न्यू D2C ब्रांड, आप इस समय कैश करो से जाओ फॉक्सटेल पे, उनका बाय 2 get 4 ऑफर चल रहा है, उसके ऊपर आपको अप टू 20% कैशबैक हमारी तरफ से मिलेगा. एंड यू नो दिस इज ऑल रियल कैश. ये आपके कैश करो अकाउंट में इकट्ठा होगा, आपको कंफर्म होने के बाद आप इसको बैंक में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो, अमेजॉन गिफ्ट वाउचर ले सकते हो, यूपीआई से ले लो,
भी ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो.
1 for 1, no deduction.
Wow. So it's almost like a loyalty.
It is cash. It is real money coming back, and and see the brilliant thing here is that today a brand, right? So today the options that a brand has is largely Google, Meta, and then let's say you have a performance piece like us. Okay. Now on Google, what happens is that, and think of the number of times we have done this. You've typed something. So let's say you've typed hotels to Bangkok. ठीक है, सर्च किया, पहला ऐड आया ऊपर, आपने ऐड पे क्लिक कर लिया. Now let's say that is a Make My Trip ad. Make My Trip has paid Google anywhere between $5 to $50 depending on the value of that keyword.
For that click, right?
आप तो एक्सप्लोरेटरी स्टेज में हो. अब आप वहां पे आपने क्लिक किया, बीच में आपको फोन कॉल आ गया, राइट? घर से फोन कॉल आ गया, आप बात करने लगे, खत्म. So now the amount of money that gets wasted because people are not always in the zone, right? Now, but you're paying for all of this. We go to Make My Trip with the same proposition saying that look, we will figure out how to bring traffic to you. अब अगर वो ट्रैफिक आपकी साइट पे आता है और कुछ नहीं करता, आप मुझे ₹0 देना, कुछ मत देना. बट अगर वो ट्रांजैक्शन करता है, then you pay us money better than at a price lower than what you're today paying Google. So we're saying that look, your benchmark is Google and Meta. मैं उससे कम में दूंगा और गारंटी करके दूंगा, right? So for a retailer or a brand, it is like wow, you know what? This is exactly what we want because now I can say कि मेरा ROAS guaranteed है. Now जो पैसा आ रहा है one of the models that we built two models, right? One of the models, which is the Cashkoro model, is to say that some part of that affiliate fee हम आपको cashback देंगे. So मान लो कि make my trip, right? Since we are on that example, मुझे 500 रुपए देता है, 400 रुपए मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ, 100 रुपए मैं रख रहा हूँ. Perfect. Right? So the user is now benefiting. Correct. And this is on top of the card discount, the flight discount, whatever is the best.
कूपन
नहीं, एक्चुअली कूपन भी नहीं लगेगा, बस आप कैश करो से जाके कर रहे हो तो बाकी ट्रैकिंग हम बैकग्राउंड में कर लेंगे.
So we built the tech enablement where the minute you click out, we have a integration on place that tracks it. The minute you do the transaction, we're able to track it.
पहले वो UTM ट्रैकिंग होती थी, वही चल रही है अभी भी.
UTM है, Pixel है, S2S है, मतलब
Too many, I've started my digital marketing career in all this. We used to talk when I was in Snapdeal and MobiKwik and all that.
I had your name saved as Akash MobiKwik until yesterday. उसके बाद मैंने चेंज, मैंने कहा भाई हटाओ इसको, अभी नहीं है इसका ये नाम.
Yeah. Those are the journeys, yeah.
But, I'll tell you an interesting story, right? Before we go to this part. And I think you'll have a lot of budding entrepreneurs who are sort of...
That's the show for, absolutely. This is for the budding entrepreneurs.
Our journey from... So when we were in the UK and Daily Mail was happening and we were cracking deals with trade unions, so effectively this was our customer acquisition strategy, right? We said, look, there are already pockets of large customers. Why pay for customer? We will sort of partner with these people and get to people. And, in every entrepreneurship journey, there are times when the unexpected happens. So Daily Mail, great relationship, things were going brilliantly. Daily Mail came to us and saying कि हम आपको खरीदना चाहते हैं.
कितने साल बाद? 1 साल?
1.5 years into that journey, right? But what that meant was that you're going to go back to employment. So you were going to buy us, we were going to be employed.
I think they were going to pay us £1 million. और 1 साल में आपको कोई बोले £1 million. Like that's pretty good. यार अभी तो शुरू किया है, उसका ही मिल रहा है.
पूरा validation हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया.
10 करोड़.
So it was like we'll do this, but in our hearts we knew that हमें ये इंडिया में करना है, because that is where you're building a B2C product. You're gonna and we knew that the scale there is going to be insane. And they wanted rights for everything that we do, and we're effectively getting now employed by the Daily Mail group, and you have commitments and you're contractually tied in for lock-in or wo sab hai. And we were like, look, we can't do that. So at this point, the point I wanted to bring out, right, is that when we said no to that, their response was that, look, you know what, we love this, we're going to build our own, right? So effectively the effort that had gone, right, that we've built this, it's Daily Mail, and like our whole pitch to the world was Daily Mail hamare saath hai, and we were going to go to the next media companies, we were going to go to TV stations. The thought was that, look, now that we have this, we can go to the rest of Europe, right? But the minute you lose Daily Mail, you're like, and then it hit us that in a B2B product, you never know when you are completely out of the game, right? So as entrepreneurs, for us, we were like, hey, £1 million to shit, I may not exist. And I think as we think back, right, that was the trigger to say, go for India. Otherwise it is possible that hum apne complacency mein, because it's great money, right? And I'm sure we could have created large scale. We may not have had to ever raise money, because like if agar aapko itne अच्छे पैसे मिल रहे हैं, look, why do you want to dilute, right? But I think the message I wanted to send out was that in your journey, right, every sort of hiccup, every hurdle can be your biggest next opportunity. That's true. Right? And I think therefore it is very, very important to sort of, keep pushing through, because, as Jobs had in his famous speech said that, you can only connect the dots looking backwards. And now when we look back, that, every time we've had some of these setbacks, we've uncovered a bigger opportunity, saying, oh my God.
So well said, because जो hurdle है ना, एक रात के लिए बहुत परेशान करता है, मतलब मेरे लिए तो ये शायद हर रात होता है एक बड़ा ना आता है, बट एक्चुअली वो जो हर्डल होता है ना, जब आप उसके बारे में बहुत सोचते हो, ये क्यों हुआ, नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन यू गेट अप, तो आज मैं सुबह, आज की बात बता रहा हूँ, आई वोक अप विद अ हेडेक, क्योंकि कल का दिन ना कुछ था, 1-2 चीजें थी जो कि बिल्डअप था और वो ठक जीरो, मैंने कहा शिट. तो आई वोक अप एंड देन राशि टोल्ड मी कि यार आज तुम मत जाओ जिम वगैरह, थोड़ा सो जाओ. मैंने कहा यार ये हेडेक ना जिम जाके ही जाएगा।
Yeah.
I went to the gym and today वो जो कल का जो था ना, we uncovered something very different. तो this is the journey that we are in. ये जो डोपामीन है ना जो हमें मिलता है कि यार चल छोड़ यार हम कुछ नया कर लेंगे, that's the kick. Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
हमें अब तक 3 बार एक्विजिशन ऑफर्स आई हैं in this journey, and I think each time we have said and looked at each other saying टेम्पटिंग है, बट हमें पता है कि अभी करके वी लीव सो मच ऑन द टेबल, नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज देन वी आर लाइक अल्टीमेटली यू आर इन दिस जर्नी फॉर द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ इट। तो एक बार एक्सपीरियंस करके उसको ख़त्म करके भी फिर क्या, फिर वो 3-4 साल उनका बाय आउट करो और फिर सोचो यार 4 साल में तो हमारा और बड़ा हो ही जाता। सो मतलब यू हैव टू डू इट व्हेन यू नो ऑफ कोर्स वन हैज़ टू ऑलवेज टाइम इट करेक्टली, यू नो, एंड आई थिंक फॉर द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी यू नो वन शुड एक्ट, बट या एट दैट टाइम यू नीड टू फील लाइक अब रिग्रेट नहीं होगा। अगर उस समय पता ही है कि रिग्रेट होने वाला है, देन आई मीन वी आर इन इट फॉर द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ इट।
तो उसको बेचा फिर फाइनली और फिर इंडिया में नया बनाया?
नहीं, यूके इज देयर।
So UK is still there. UK is still there. Our B2C product's still there, and we've kind of kept it. So it's very small now.
Over time, that Daily Mail and all we stopped. We just you know.
डेली मेल ने बनाया अपना खुद का?
उन्होंने अपना
नहीं बनाया।
नहीं कर पाते।
नहीं बना पाते यार। Look, you know the reality is that
जितना लगना पड़ता है ना, बाहर से नहीं पता लगता।
बाहर से लगता है कि यार हो जाएगा, focus, the people.
The madness behind building something. Everyone thinks.
A simple thing like जब आप कैश करो से अमेजोन पे जाके शॉप करते हैं, तो जिस तरह से ट्रैकिंग है, रिपोर्टिंग है, उसके लिए वापस आपका कैशबैक ट्रैक होना, कंफर्म होना, हर स्टेप को हमने ओवर टाइम यू नो रिफाइन किया है। एंड व्हेन वी केम टू इंडिया ये सब यहाँ हो ही नहीं रहा था। सो दैट वाज आवर बिगेस्ट चैलेंज विच एवरी कैटेगरी बिल्डर फेसेस, दैट यू हैव टू डू थिंग्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, फ्रॉम यू नो एक्सप्लेनिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, टॉकिंग अबाउट क्यों ये अच्छा है करने के लिए, टू एक्चुअली डूइंग इट एंड फिगरिंग इट आउट ऑल without having precedence. That's why the number 4, 5, 6 are sometimes able to go faster because उनके लिए railroads बन गए होते हैं, you know. But that's the thing. If you are a market leader and a category builder, you need to make those railroads ride the hell on them very fast because you have to keep going fast क्योंकि पीछे से लोग आके copy भी करेंगे, but साथ साथ ऐसे करके आगे जाना है basically.
Absolutely. Look, I think history has told us and taught us and continues to teach us that resting on your past laurels is disastrous. Kodak's a great example. Nokia's a great example. Indian ecosystem mein, the people who were pioneers may not. And 5 years from now, you know, the face of who is leading the Indian e-commerce in multiple segments may be completely
जैसे आज क्विक कॉमर्स चेंज कर रहा है।
Absolutely, it's such a disruption. Came out of nowhere.
जैसे हमने बात की कि ब्रांड्स आर पेइंग अस
Cashback
कमीशन,
मिलता है,
उसमें
तो
से
आप
हम
उसका
यूजर को
portion ले
कैशबैक,
लेते हैं।
हाँ, सो यूजर हैज टू जस्ट रूट देयर परचेज वाया कैश करो,
ठीक है।
बाकी सब एक्सपीरियंस सेम है।
ठीक है।
सो व्हेन अर्नकरो वाज लॉन्च्ड 4 years ago, उस समय सोशल कॉमर्स इंडिया में थोड़ा हॉट था, एक्चुअली काफी हॉट था एट वन पॉइंट, यू नो देयर वाज अ वेज व्हेन या देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी वर ऑब्जर्विंग देन इज दैट जो लोग सोशल कॉमर्स कर रहे हैं वो भी ये प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं कि जो रीसेलर्स हैं उनका प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं है, सो रिटर्न्स वर 70-80%, which is why that you know it wasn't actually scaling up. So we said okay, what can be done is that there are telegrammers जिन्होंने इतने बड़े बड़े ग्रुप्स बनाए हैं, there are Facebook group owners, WhatsApp group owners, तो उनके पास वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, ग्रुप्स हैं, बट उनको क्यों ही सिर्फ बोले कि जो यू नो रीसेलर वाला प्रोडक्ट है उसको मार्केट करो, क्यों ना ई कॉमर्स के प्रोडक्ट को वो मार्केट करें, ई कॉमर्स की डील शेयर करें, और अगर उनके लिंक से कोई शॉप कर रहा है तो दे विल अर्न
So
कमीशन।
you made others as affiliates.
Yes.
So we effectively took the power of affiliate marketing and we said, let's make it democratic.
Democratized it, yeah.
So today a housewife can join Earnkaro and says that, let's say that she says, look, I am the influencer in the 50 people in my family. 5 मेरी family, एक मेरी college group है, एक मेरा family group है, there is a, let's say the apartment group. I am the influencer, so people keep asking me that, look, hey, what should I buy for hair product or whatever. For the longest time, recommendations were free. Hey, do this. Now the same person can go to, let's say, Foxtail, copy the link, convert it into his or her affiliate link, share it into the group, people click on it, and now she's making 20% every time. So most people are not necessarily looking for a discount. They're looking for recommendation, right? Now you may call somebody and say, hey, you know what? You know, you bought this special blender. कौन सा लिया था? Now at that point, what would you do? You would just send a link. I'm saying, hey, take a step back. It's a 20,000 rupee product. If you can earn 4% on it, you take the same link, copy it, convert it, share it. The experience for the end user is the same, but now you're starting to monetize, right? So it started with, let's say, a housewife, its students, Telegram groups, as Swati was saying.
Telegram, I think, is the most underrated social media channel because Telegram पे virality इतनी है आकाश, you won't believe it. मतलब Telegrammers जो हैं, so we actually started this thing called the Bad Podcast, Be a Dreamer, because we realized कि Telegrammers earn करो से इतना कमा रहे हैं, कितना पता है? 5 लाख महीने का, 10 लाख महीने का. Last week we interviewed Nikhil who earns 35 to 40 lakhs a month via earn करो. इट्स क्रेजी. सो ये लोग करते क्या है पता है? ये लोग करते क्या है कि सो निखिल फॉर एग्जाम्पल एंड लाइक अदर्स, सो दे हैव द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप्स जिसमें 10-15 लाख मेंबर्स हैं. इन्होंने ओवर टाइम वो ग्रुप्स बड़े करे हैं.
It's like an Instagram community also.
It's a yeah. But now they basically use earn करो का मैजिक टूल, एक बॉट, जिससे उनके ग्रुप पे ऑटोमेटिकली पूरा दिन डील्स जाती रहती हैं उनके अफिलिएट लिंक के साथ. तो उनको काम भी नहीं करना पड़ता, उन्होंने हमारे बॉट्स लगा लिए हैं सारे, ठीक है. एंड लोग जो हैं उनके लिंक्स पे क्लिक करते हैं, सीधा जाके शॉप करते हैं. अगर जैसे इस समय रिपब्लिक डे सेल्स चल रही हैं तो जहाँ पे भी डिस्काउंट्स ऑलरेडी अच्छे हैं वही डील्स आएंगी, तो लोग शॉप करेंगे और ये कमीशन कमाएंगे. और कितना कमाएंगे कि बंदे ने अलीगढ़ में घर खरीद लिया, गुड़गांव में घर खरीद लिया, गुड़गांव में डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी खोल रहा है निखिल.
Wow, this is so nice, yeah. So this is going ahead of the curve, right? You're trying to create new tools, which is also something in entrepreneurship, right? जैसे आपने कैश करो बनाया, फिर आपने कर्न करो बनाते हैं, फिर बॉट्स बना रहे हो. Again, just coming back to entrepreneurship, what do you think? I'm sure there was competition. I remember there was a bunch of them, Coupon Dunias and Grab Bonds of the world. So are they still there? And how do you guys differentiate? Because a young person who's building a company, क्या लगता है startup का tag लग जाए. But वो जो hustle background में जाता रहता है. So let's talk about that. How do you face that? How do you kind of chisel yourself?
See, in my view, primarily, it is not necessarily कि competition अभी कितना है. And if you take someone like a Zepto, right? Now, when you're thinking about, look, I'm going to come into this market, and you know what? I'm going to try disrupt groceries. जहाँ पर offline भी है, Amazon भी है, Flipkart भी है, Big Basket has been at it for so long and so many more, and say, you know what? I am going to disrupt it, right? So part of it is, sure, it's an attractive market, but do you have a X factor that really disrupts, right? And the fact that they said, look, 10 मिनट में, 15 मिनट में, 20 मिनट में डिलीवरी करेंगे and we will actually do it, right? Became the wow, ये चीज़ कर सकते हैं, right? So as you think about an idea, and we all have lots and lots of ideas, are you passionate enough कि look, ये करना है मुझे, right? This is going to make me get up at 5 a.m. and I'm going to dream about it and I'm going to think about it and I'm going to work my ass off. Is it that big for you? Or do you have some differentiator, right? And the important thing with an idea is that if everybody believes it, probably not it, right? So Jack Ma said a very interesting thing when he was talking. He said कि अलीबाबा में जब लोग आइडिया लेके आते थे और मैं बोर्ड रूम में बैठा हूँ, and if everybody said great idea, he would say nahi karna, right? Because if everybody has figured it out, then it's no longer disruptive, right?
कुछ अलग नहीं बचा.
And but if somebody would come and the whole board would say impossible, he would say ye kar, right? Because the barrier to entry by design is so high, the innovation, the chul that you need to create to get there is so high. So that's the second piece, right? So do you have the passion? Then the ability, and the reason I'm saying this is that you will have to fight. See, जब आप एक बिजनेस शुरू करते हो, आप अपने दोस्तों के पास जाते हो, फैमिली के पास जाते हो कि यार मम्मी पापा मैं ये करने वाला हूँ, वो बोलते हैं कि यार ये करेगा, पागल है क्या, पता है इसमें ये एंड ट्रस्ट मी, योर फैमिली इज द बेस्ट एट टेलिंग यू ऑल द रिस्क्स दैट कैन गो रॉन्ग, राइट? मम्मी पापा जो बता सकते हैं ना कि यार डीप डाइव में ये भी गड़बड़ हो सकती है, लाइक बेटर देन एनी इन्वेस्टर विल टेल यू. And then you have to have the confidence to say that, you know what, I'm going to go against you.
कर लूँगा.
मैं कर लूँगा, मुझे पता है कि मैं एक there is this invisible confidence that look whatever barrier hurdle will come I'll find a way because I love what I do, right? So I think it comes from, do you love it enough to fight it all? Because if you because challenges हर में हैं. So I think anyone who's looking at that, idea, moat, passion, I think are your things, and then rest, team, etc. just happen.
हाँ, और पता है वो जर्नी में बहुत सारे स्टेप्स तो पता ही नहीं होती, वो नाइविटी भी जरूरी होती है कि यार मैं बस कूद जाऊंगा, मेरे को वो विजन है बस, राइट? मुझे नहीं पता बीच में आएगा, बहुत लोग मना करेंगे, बट मेरे को वो जो विजन दिख रहा है ना, छोटा सा पाइप ड्रीम, it's like that pipe dream. Startup is like a pipe dream, and you guys are at it for 11 years. Yeah, absolutely.
इसमें टीम और इन्वेस्टर्स दोनों का रोल बहुत जरूरी है.
Let's talk about that. How did you get investors? How did you build the team? Let's talk about that.
Well, so we were talking about our UK experience, right? UK to India हमने जब किया, तो हमारा फर्स्ट राउंड जो था, एक्चुअली जो सबसे पहला राउंड था, that was at London Business School. हम लोग दोनों वहाँ पे ही होता था कि इन्वेस्टर्स आके बैठेंगे, there is this every quarter a pitch thing, तो आप जाके पिच करो, so you might find an angel investor in the audience.
हाँ, अच्छा, like वो typical pitch होती है, यहाँ भी होती थी ना वो अपने venture capitalists and and they used.
So we got a recommendation from someone. We went to London Business School, and that was the first pitch ever. हम दोनों खड़े हैं वहाँ पे. I mean, although we've studied at LSE and all, but still, it was a bit nerve-wracking or nervousness थी थोड़ी. So pitch खत्म हो गई, and our thing was always about India, the India story, because we're taking pouring pounds to India. We've launched Cash Karo. It's organically, we're already seeing growth in the first 3 months, and if we put money here, this is gonna take off, right? So this is your chance to invest in Indian e-commerce, क्योंकि ये business e-commerce के साथ grow करने वाला है. And you have Indians who are leading this business, and आप देख सकते हो उनके UK में हम already उनके सामने थे, so things were good. So anyway, वो हमने अपना pitch किया, उसके बाद ऐसे ही लोग आते हैं मिलने के लिए, बट फिर मैं कोई और भी अभी आएंगे क्या, थोड़ा वेट कर रहे थे हम लोग. और then one guy came in the end, okay, his name was Peter Radcliffe. He is still an angel investor with us, and he said, I work at this company called the Monetize Group, and we are into fintech, and you could be a great synergy with us, so come and meet my boss who's the CEO, and we'll figure out कि क्या synergy है. So हम उनको जाके मिले, and in fact that was also one of our acquisition offers, which I thought initially he was talking about, but eventually that we didn't go ahead with, but he put in money as an angel investor.
Okay,
So,
personally,
50,000 pounds first check. We were really excited कि यार, and उस समय the valuation was also like 50,000 pounds. ठीक है, you take 50k, you give me this much. We're like, ठीक है. Today I would like sit people down and be like, रुको, ऐसे नहीं.
first check ऐसा ही होना चाहिए वैसे.
And also sometimes when you think about it, it's like retrospectively we would have almost never done that.
Never done it. What are you thinking?
For that amount of money, इतना equity, पागल हो क्या?
But that is the naivety, na. That's naivety. You gotta make your own mistakes. You gotta kick off, and उस समय एक हाई भी होता है अलग कि भाई आ गया फटाफट, एक पिच करी, पैसा आ गया. उसके बाद it got better in that high sense because Rohan was back in India actually working on Cash Karo building it, and that time we were like चलो एक और family and friends round करते हैं, because 50,000 pounds obviously won't be enough. So I wrote an email to some of our Goldman colleagues and LSE friends saying we're going to do this fundraise for Cash Karo, and we had a target of $300,000. So one guy started saying, okay, come meet me. So I went to meet him for that meeting, and he said yes. So I came back and called Rohan. He said yes, 100,000 pounds. He's like 100,000 pounds. Wow. So then he's referring us to others. So ऐसे करके I'm doing like literally in a matter of 48 hours. I did not go back home. I was literally going from one meeting to the other, and we had closed $750,000. And the last check came from someone who we did not even meet, actually did not even pitch to. He said to me yes over email, 25,000 pounds in. Then I said, do you want to talk once?
That was UK ecosystem.
This was the UK ecosystem. These were, all, and I think उसमें FOMO भी रहता है ना angels को, कि जब friends ने कर लिया, ये लोग करें, इन्होंने सोच के किया होगा, चलो ठीक है, क्यों why miss out India opportunity? So
इंडिया में है ऐसा अभी?
है, अभी भी है.
नहीं, बन गया है अभी.
If you think about the angel money, right? There are probably 150 people who are reasonably active. And if you have an idea, the grapevine is extremely strong. So if you have to raise, let's say, 5 crores, right, which is effectively, 20-30 checks, you can get there pretty quickly.
कैसे कैसे थोड़ा बताओ लोगों को यार, क्योंकि आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्ट्रगल टू रेज द फर्स्ट 2 करोड़ मैं तो कह रहा हूँ रेज करने बहुतों को। मेरे चैनल पे रोज लोग बोलते हैं कि हमें ना इतने पैसे रेज करा दो, 50 लाख 1 करोड़।
The problem is that I think people look for traction before putting in money. And sometimes you need money to get that traction. So वहाँ पे जो है वो इंडिया में प्रॉब्लम आती है. And I think that's why more and more people who are, you know, doing the large secondaries or doing IPOs, entrepreneurs coming back and saying, okay, let me put some money. I mean, you see someone like Ritesh Malik, what an amazing promoter and supporter of the Indian startup ecosystem, right? And he comes back and, you know, people like him are the ones who are actually changing that game, saying that, okay, let me back you. His growth strategy is backing startups, part of it, you know?
तो रेसिपी बताओ, 1.5-2 करोड़ रेज करने की रेसिपी बताओ।
See, there are multiple angel groups out there. Multiple, right? Mumbai Angels is there, Delhi has networks. If you talk to anyone who's raised money, you know, a seed round, pre-seed round, you will get names of people, right? In fact, if you just open up Inning 42 and you see कि किस किस ने invest किया है in the seed, pre-seed sort of stage, you'll get the names. These people are actively looking for new opportunities because they realize, look, India is super exciting, right? And if you're solving a problem, I want to be part of that solution. Yes. Obviously, at that point, you need to have built some traction. You need to build some proof of concept. You need to have done a little bit.
कुछ करो,
कुछ तो
करना पड़ेगा.
गाड़ी चल रही है, right? And therefore, you're saying that, look, now that I have this, and you know what, you'd be amazed and surprised that if you write to these people, LinkedIn पर, trust me, a lot of people are very social with their numbers, their emails. True. You message people, and if the idea is decent, na, they will jump in. True. They will start connecting you because they are also eager to grow the ecosystem, right? Ritesh Malik is a great example. But you know, Apurva Jumaria runs a great fund called AC Ventures. Multiple folks, right?
Mohit is also doing
Mohit's doing
Mohit
with
Sadani,
DVC.
yeah.
So I think बहुत सारे हैं. There are बहुत सारे हैं, right? Kalari has a startup fund. So, and look, as a
venture capitalist, Iron Fund, all of these guys.
What you're looking for is an idea, right? So they're actually, उनका काम ही क्या है? यार email आ रहा है मुझे, मैं उस email को खोल के opportunity समझूंगा, देखूंगा क्या कर सकते हैं, right? Obviously, you need to have a business, right? You need to have done something or an idea that you are, or you know, you are uniquely placed to do that idea, right? So I think like India has never been a better place to raise capital ever, because
you got to do the hard work.
See, 2013 में जब हम इंडिया के बारे में सोचते भी थे, we were like, there's no way to raise money in India, right? Until 2018, there was no way to do an IPO in India.
Yeah, that's true.
Right, because all of the companies, if you think about it, MMT, etc., they listed on the New York Stock Exchange. UK में listing होती थी, Singapore में listing होती थी, right? Look, a lot of people would keep HQ at Singapore because that's an IPO market.
Yes.
Today, everyone is going back and saying India वापस लाओ.
Yeah, अभी Zepto flip किया है.
India is the change in India, right? From access to capital markets, access to investor, secondary trading of non-listed stock, right? That started, private things are happening. So there is a lot happening. Obviously, you need to solve a good problem, but it's doable, very, very doable.
In fact, I have taken this initiative also through this for people to come over and put their videos out with me, and we are funding them. So we recently did 2-3 deals via this enterprise. Again, giving back, right? The idea is to give back. And you're right, founders who are first-time founders who've done the hard work, they will open that email, they will respond to you because they have gone through that journey and they would want to give back.
I also think, you know, when you are raising money, essentially there are 5 things that every investor is looking for. And try and include that in your pitch, no matter at what stage you are.
Sure.
You know, it would basically be जो आपका अभी का traction है जितना, ठीक है? The precedence of success for your business abroad, because that also gives people confidence that okay, there will be, you know, success in this field. Third is the market size and how big can your business become. So if let's say you're, you don't talk about it, then see, because what we have to remember is that you are living and breathing your business. आपने इसके बारे में दिन रात सोचा है. It might be a space that me as an outsider, I've never thought about it. So I don't have a view on it. Your research, your data should help me make a view on that sector, take a view on it, and then share it with my friends, discuss it with someone, and actually back it, saying why not. Like, I guess these guys can do it because I have been fed that research by you. I don't have time to do it on my own, but you've already done it. Bring me in your court. True. Take me on your side, right? Correct. So show me what is the market size, how big can your business be. And it's okay to dream and it's okay to be ambitious and to say कि इतना बड़ा बन सकता है. Because आप जो business शुरू कर रहे हो, अपने सपनों में भी अगर उतना बड़ा नहीं सोच रहे, तो जितने hurdles आने वाले हैं, उसके बाद जो मेरे जैसा इन्वेस्टर बाहर बैठा है, वो तो उसको वैसे भी by 10 करके ही आपके सब नंबर सोचने वाला है ना. तो इसलिए आप कुछ तो बड़ा बताओ, वरना फिर exciting ही क्या है, you know. And the fourth thing is, what are the unit metrics that your business has currently, or what do you think they can evolve to? You know, so that can it be profitable or not? And the fifth is the team. If you already have a team, then that's great, because then, you know, you're not really putting in money in one person, but then, you know, if at least, if let's say you are 2-3 co-founders, or you've got a founding team, even one founder with a founding team, but then थोड़ा सा तो infrastructure है ना जिसके ऊपर हम पैसा लगा रहे हैं. So I think no matter at what stage, I always go back to saying, am I killing it in my answers for these 5 questions? Because if you are, and if you're presenting it well, then you're already, you know, way ahead. There are people who write to me on Instagram very often saying, ma'am, I really want to do a business. Can you give me some idea? I'm like, no, buddy, I got my own business to run. Like, you know, क्योंकि अब idea तो आपको खुद सोचना है.
Idea तो सोच लो यार, because passion मेरे idea पे नहीं आएगा. आइडिया से बड़ा है पैशन, which is what you said. मेरे आइडिया पे तुम्हें पैशन आ गया तो मतलब ये तो adopted child वाली कहानी हो गई यार. You got to have your own baby.
See, and also the thing is that, you know, while entrepreneurs want to give back, I have to call out that, you know, we can't respond to everything. You know, my LinkedIn is flooded. My Instagram is flooded. And so many of them are people saying, you know, 2-liners also like, ma'am, I have this, you know, this business and can you fund me? I mean, if you say something like that, तो मतलब कैसे ना, थोड़ा तो interesting बनाओ, थोड़ा तो tempting बनाओ, right? And see, when we need help, the onus is on us to make it very tempting and something you can't say no to. We have to do that work because हमें वो चाहिए. हमने वो किया है अपने businesses के लिए ना, हमने हर जगह किया है. Like पहले आपको हमने angel round के बारे में बताया, फिर हमारा second round जो पहले मतलब seed round था, LBS, then angel round, then the series A round was Kalari Capital.
How did that happen?
Kalari Capital was actually us, you know, so उस समय हम लंदन से इंडिया नए नए आए थे, तो हमें पता नहीं था कि एक्चुअली, और उस समय ना इतनी अवेयरनेस भी नहीं थी जितनी लोगों को भी है. सो हमें लगता था कि नॉर्वेस्ट वेंचर पार्टनर्स भी सीरीज ए करेगा, जो नहीं करेगा पता है कि नहीं करेगा, उसका वो ग्रोथ स्टेज इन्वेस्टर है, राइट. सो कुछ इन्वेस्टर्स को हेलो हाई करी जाके तो पता लगा कि कौन क्या करता है. देन Kalari Capital, we got an introduction through someone, and actually Kalari was our ideal investor who we really wanted because they were investing across e-commerce in India, so we knew कि उनको e-commerce का experience है, वो उस टाइप के connects कर सकते हैं. And you know, in the end there are different rounds, right? So पहले आपको there's a partner who starts looking at your deal, then one analyst will work with the partner, फिर वो आपसे numbers मांगेंगे, फिर आपका सारा back and forth होने के बाद आप IC जाओगे, investment committee. Then we went to IC of Kalari, so it is a board room full of different partners, Vani and myself as the only women in the room, and you know, both of us pitched our business. So Kalari happened, that was 3.8 million. That was our series A, 25 crore. And then series B was Korea Investment Partners. Yeah, that was $10 million. अब आज तो उसका 86 crores है वैल्यू, उस समय 75 होता था. But yeah, so and you know, उस समय हमें था कि okay, let's take money from people who understand the cashback industry and the cashback ecosystem. And then series C was 130 crores from Affle Global. Yeah.
Which is listed, right?
Yeah, it's a listed company. So there the idea was to learn from someone who's already been there. And इसके बीच में Kalari के बाद very important investor meeting was Mr. Ratan Tata. Wow. He was also one of our investors.
Talk about him. Talk about Ratan Tata. How did you meet him?
Like one of our biggest learnings, right, through the Daily Mail story, through, you know, even how and I'll let Swati talk about the Tata story. Key learning that we had was that you must ask the question. So, why did we get Daily Mail? Right? We were not the only cashback site. There were others. There were bigger players, more deserving players even. Right? It just so happened that nobody pitched, nobody knocked on the door enough. Right? Nobody sent that message. Right? And the guy was literally waiting for somebody to come to him. Now, with Mr. Tata, what had happened was that he was on the board of Kalari at that point. And there was a phase where he was very actively investing, right? So he had done Ola, he had done Snapdeal, he had done Urban Ladder, right? So he was actively sort of, taking bets on, companies that he felt were the right companies. And we knew that, with the mission that we were doing and what we were doing, we were very uniquely placed. And we said, look, ek baar opportunity mil jaye na. And again, Kalari had funded a whole bunch of companies that year. And I think it was our persistence saying that, look, just give us an opportunity. And I have a sense that a lot of companies who had raised money from Kalari probably did not ask the question. Right? So 3 companies were asked to pitch to him. That's it. And I said, we were one of those 3 and we were probably the more persistent ones. And that just gave us an opportunity. Now, all you're doing is that by your persistence, ask the question. A lot of times in our minds we defeat ourselves. कैसे होगा?
इतना बड़ा पहाड़ दिखता है ना कि पूछूंगा भी नहीं.
वो क्यों करेगा? So we are constantly putting ourselves कि यार ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता और गारंटी नहीं होगा. It is a very high likelihood that if you ask the question नहीं होगा. But you know what? The number of times we've asked the question and it's happened is unreal.
Actually, my own journey started like that because I grew up in Ambala. और अम्बाला छोटा शहर है, बहुत अच्छा सा शहर है. बट आई ऑलवेज थॉट कि मैं दिल्ली जाऊंगी पढ़ने के लिए. मम्मी पापा को हमेशा से उसके लिए पटाती थी कि अम्बाला से दिल्ली भेज देना. बट 10th में आई टॉप्ड हरियाणा एंड आई गॉट 100 on 100 in maths. So my dad one day saw this advertisement in the newspaper for Singapore Airlines scholarship and he said कि इसके लिए अप्लाई करो. 11-12 सिंगापुर में fully funded. आई सेड पूरे इंडिया में से टोटल 25 लोगों को ले जा रहे हैं. व्हाट आर द चांसेस कि मेरा उसमें नंबर आएगा, अम्बाला की एक लड़की का. सो बट देन दैट्स द थिंग, वी ऑलवेज डाउट आवरसेल्व्स. सो आई आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन, अरे व्हाई नॉट, जब तक अप्लाई नहीं करूँगी कैसे पता लगेगा. सो अप्लाई किया, फिर 1 राउंड 2 राउंड क्लियर होते गए, एंड में स्कॉलरशिप लेटर आ गई. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर होल्डिंग दैट स्कॉलरशिप लेटर और सब हम एक दूसरे को दिख रहे हैं कि अरे ये तो हमने सोचा नहीं था कि हो जाएगा. ये तो सोचा नहीं था कि 16 साल की लड़की को भेजेंगे भी कि नहीं.
Knock the door, right? Don't worry. क्या होगा, बाहर भगा देंगे ना.
See, if you think about, today the success stories that we celebrate, right? Uber. Travis talks about knocking on I don't know how many countless doors, right?
Yeah.
Brian Chesky with Airbnb just talks about, today he's celebrating the number of people. Very actively he talks about कि मैं इसके पास गया, ये फंड था, उसने बोला who will do Airbnb, ये कौन करेगा. And it's that, like today the celebration is I got 250 rejections before that first. And Edison का यही तो कहानी थी ना, 10,000 or whatever that number is, right? So I think history tells us that persistence is the only way. Knock the door. You may have to knock on 1,000,000 doors, right? But that is the only way forward. So through that knocking on the door, we got a chance to meet Mr. Tata.
And they said, come to Bombay at the Taj Hotel. And वहाँ पे जाके लिफ्ट में गए, सी दबाया, सी सीधा उनके चेम्बर्स पे ले जाता है. एंड वो खुलता है दरवाज़ा, हर तरफ वुडन पैनल्ड, so you feel like किसी स्पेशल जगह आए हो. And I remember sitting there and the butler says, मैम आप क्या खाओगे? I said, आपके पास कोई मेन्यू है? तो he said, मैम ये मिस्टर टाटा के चेम्बर्स है, यहाँ सब कुछ मिलता है, आपको क्या खाना है? So I said pancake because I couldn't.
And that too in a Taj Hotel.
Exactly, pancake with strawberry. I think खाया भी नहीं मैंने, वो जब तक खाया होगा, but just the thrill of it. And then हमारा नंबर आया तो we went inside the room. Mr. Tata sitting on this long table having his dessert and lunch. And they said आप इधर पिच कर लो, जैसे वॉल पे प्रोजेक्टर लगा हुआ है. सो हमें लगा कि यार हम यहाँ खड़े होंगे, पिच करेंगे, वो यहाँ बैठे हैं, कोई आई कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं है, कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं है, 20 मिनट की टोटल मीटिंग है, तो कन्वर्ट को रिलेशनशिप ही नहीं बनेगी. सो वी आस्क्ड हिम, विच वॉज आवर अदर थिंग, कि आस्क द क्वेश्चन, राइट, आंसर कैन बी नो मैक्सिमम. So we asked him, sir, do you mind कि instead of pitching there, we sit across from you and just have a conversation. Same time लेंगे 20 मिनट. He said, yeah, why not? Come sit. बैठ गए। तो जब बैठ गए तो किसी से आप बात करो वर्सेस पिच करो, बहुत फ़र्क है, यू नो। एंड उस बात में सबसे पहले मैंने उनको बोला कि यू नो माई 84-year-old ग्रैंडफादर इज़ वेरी प्राउड दैट वी हियर टुडे, बिकॉज उनकी पहली जॉब टाटा स्टील में थी पार्टीशन के बाद जो उन्होंने किया पहले। So he was like, you know, thank him for his service, and you know, he was really sweet. So then we spoke about our business, and we told him about Cash Karo, and in the end, you know, we said, sir, what do you think? And he said, in a country that loves to save, you are giving free money. What's there not to love? You know, and उसके बाद हमने उनके साथ फोटो ली, हम चले गए। 2 हफ्ते तक कुछ नहीं सुना, तो लगा चलो कुछ और नहीं तो फोटो तो मिल गई, यू नो। सो देन 10 o'clock on a Tuesday evening, I think, I got this message saying, Swati, call me, this is Venkat. And no, Swati, can we talk? This is Venkat. And Venkat was an intern at Cash Karo. So मैं इसको देख रही हूँ कि इंटर्न भी ना आजकल लाइक 10 बजे मैसेज करा, कैन वी टॉक? देन लेटर आई सेड कुछ काम होगा एक्चुअली, मे बी। सो आई रिप्लाइड सेइंग श्योर, कॉल मी। And picked up the phone. This is Venkat from Mr. Tata's office. We loved your pitch and we would like to invest. I was like, oh my God, the call I almost didn't take, the message I almost didn't reply was the one I was really waiting for.
Wow.
So,
nice, yeah.
and the next thing I tell him is, sir, सोच लिया ना, like I'm gonna get really happy, ये तो नहीं कल कुछ अभी ये if
So we were like, you know, like इसमें और कुछ मतलब this is like you're still thinking about it. हाँ.
ये मतलब कल बोलो अभी तो ये सोचा था, मतलब you know, because this is a big thing.
हम लोगों को बताएंगे, देखो अभी फोन
ये भी फोन करने वाले लोगों को so इसलिए
These are the moments that we live for, right?
So I think I think for both of us, lots has happened, lots of big milestones, but you know the sense of pride that we take with that, right? I think surpasses almost anything that we do, and you know it's amazing the aura of that man, right? Because after the the investment happened and you know it was out in the media, the number of doors it opened, right? We had senior bankers just coming into
suddenly we were very hot, by the way, overnight.
Who are you? What do you do? Right? And it was almost like the man had just blessed us. Right? You know what? By my blessing, you are now good. Right? And you know, like for us, that aura that the man is able to create, right? And you know, we still live it.
But that is his reputation, right? That is, I mean, you asked for so many details because of who he is.
You know, like see, as a cashback business, one of the things that you know we get most is कि यार पैसा सच्ची में आएगा. And the fact that you know, lot of times, even today, right, people say because Mr. Tata backed, you know, I know कि आपको trust तो कर सकते हैं.
Yes, you're trustable. You attach that Tata trust. And Mr. Ratan Tata.
And Mr. Tata, it is just the
नाम ही काफी है.
And then you try to sort of uplift yourself to say यार ये ideal तो live up करना पड़ेगा.
That's why people ask me how much did he invest. I'm like, it's not about how much. It's about his name.
It is his blessing.
It's blessing. It's just his blessing, right?
Very nice, yeah. Those are the moments. Amazing, amazing. Team के लिए कैसे करते हैं? How to build a team? A lot of people struggle. How big is your team, if I might ask?
Yeah, so the team is about 400 people now, and you know, it indeed started with both of us. And I think initially we had interns. ये लंदन में थे हम, यहाँ के interns थे, तो we used to do this Skype call every day. सुबह सुबह अपना day शुरू करते थे. Now we have an office in Gurgaon. We have a technology office in Chennai, and we have a team on field as well because we have a bit of our on field sales team as well.
कैसे hire करते हैं? What is the way?
रोहन ने तो मतलब इतने डॉक्यूमेंट्स इतने प्रोसेस बना दिए कि हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टार्टअप कैन बी टू ओपन अ रिक्रूटमेंट कंपनी बिकॉज इट इज अ रियल प्रॉब्लम.
Wow, then talk about it, यार. ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज होता है लोगों को.
I think with any role, na, one has to, and you know, I think I've realized that the power of creating the right job description is unbelievable. Right? So I'll tell you the process that we followed. And I think it's
Must listen to this, by the way.
at some point I would love to, like, I feel that what a lot of the stuff we're doing probably becomes a book on what is our learning. So it starts with what are your core must-have skills for the job that you want somebody to do, right? So let's say that if I'm trying to hire somebody for let's say talent acquisition role, right? Now, what is your must-have skill? You would say that, look, do you have experience in closing a certain type of role? Now, how do you assess that? Right? So it's not just कि ये skill है. How do you assess it? and what are the questions that you need to start asking in order to assess it. Now, if you think about it, somebody might say, okay, a talent acquisition person should have great communication. Sure, but what do you mean by great communication? Right? If I'm having a great conversation with you, is that good enough? But we said, no. The communication level is, can I pitch the company to you? Because मैं तो ये करूँगा ना. Now my job is कि मुझे किसी तरह स्वाति को attract करना है. Right? Now what do I tell her? I need to pitch the company. Now where am I going to try pick Swati from? Right? Let's say Swati is at a great company. Now let's say she's working at company X. Perfect candidate. Swati is probably very happy at this company. Right? How do I win Swati over? So my communication is more about selling the company. So when we start thinking about TA, our main question is, pitch the company that you're at to me if I was a candidate. Can you do that? Right? And similarly, we've sort of really drilled down to say, okay, look, what are the must-have skills? Once you identify the must-have skills, for each of those must-have skills, you figure out what is the assessment. Because what happens is sometimes somebody comes in and they're like, yaar, to kaam hi nahi kar pa raha. How do you then, because everything is, look, at the end of the day, it takes years, months to understand if somebody is able to do the job. Yes. Right? And the challenge on recruitment is that you have 2, 3, 4, 5 hours in which you need to make this decision.
Yeah, you're talking about a lot. Typically, you have like
2 rounds, 3 rounds, right?
Haan.
You have to figure out ki must-have skill kya hai. And then you basically create a group of, like, you know, your decision team, right? So your TA is there. Let's say hiring manager and let's say another hiring manager, right? They all need to then assess on the same criteria, right? Now, one of the reasons we try to follow this very strictly is that how do you also take away bias, right? So, यार ये तो चंडीगढ़ का है यार, इसको ले लेते हैं.
अपनी अच्छी जमेगी.
Yeah, sometimes what happens is that somebody walks in, very well presented. आके बैठते हैं, like, भाई. So, the minute the person sat on the table, you're like, यार इसको तो hire कर सकते हैं. Bias, क्योंकि you have an attraction or it starts to resonate with you, and you're now starting to say, नहीं यार ये तो कर लेगा. But we're saying, नहीं. Does it match on the must-have skills? Because that's what you're hiring for, right? So we have now obsessively created a job description for everything. Now, interesting enough, what happens is that how else do you start to use it, right? So I was having a very interesting conversation with one of our product managers. And she was like, look, Rohan, how do I move up the level? So I said, okay, you know what? Let me open a JD for a product manager level 2. And said, this is my must-have skills. Do you feel you have this skill? Right? So now our promotion cycle is a function of my JDs. Right? So
obsessively on JDs. You've mastered and written it everything कि भाई ये actually it makes sense, right? ये 4 चीजें करनी है.
ये 4 चीजें करनी है.
Rate yourself.
Are you good enough for that? And see दूसरा क्या होता है ना, as you get larger, the things that lead to politics in a company are appraisals and promotions. Right? Now you want to make that process fair. Right? Now if somebody gets promoted, what you don't want is, वो ना उसका वो दोनों चंडीगढ़ से हैं, right? Yeah, you know, they get along so well, तो या थोड़ी partiality हो रही है, right? How do you kill that? How do you say कि you can get promoted because you have the skills, right? Now, as a company, we are also trying to build L&D, learning and development.
Because hiring सिर्फ first step है. उसके बाद how to nurture that talent and retain के लिए L&D बहुत जरूरी है.
So now let's say that if I want to take this person from level 1 product manager to level 2 product manager, I say, okay, I want to invest in this person. मैं उसको क्या skill सिखाऊं? So my skill development starts from this, right? So what we've realized is that if you are clear about what are the skills that are needed at every stage as you move up the curve, and look, somebody who's leading a team, does he or she have strategic thinking? Now, how do you train somebody for strategic thinking, right? You start doing case studies. Right. Hey, you know what? Now, let's say that there is one person who's one level below, saying that मैं तो उसका काम कर सकता हूँ, right? So now you say, look, let me give you a live example, right? Let's say that if you have to pitch to Myntra for this particular business, how would you do it? Now the person says, यार ये तो मैं कर सकता हूँ या नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Now let's say they're able to do it. I know that they're ready to take up the next scale. And this person probably says, what is my future? I say, look, you know what? You are ready to move up the curve because there's somebody rising to take your place. So that's how we've sort of done that. Obviously, within the hiring round.
But वो जो JD है ना, JD के जो must have skills हैं, that actually becomes a score sheet. So anyone who's interviewing that candidate actually fills that interview score sheet so that we all are assessing, yeah. So that उसी से वो निकल के आती है, so that everybody is rating the candidate on the same thing. Because imagine if we are hiring a copywriter, you know, इसके पहले वाले round में my brand person is making them check for YouTube script writing. I'm like नहीं, but हमें तो email की copy लिखनी है, subject lines, you know, so we both are looking for different things only. So having the JD and a score sheet aligns कि everybody comes out talking the same thing. And then our step 3 is to say, okay, जो भी role है, उसकी target companies आपकी कौन सी हैं, and उसकी list हमेशा बनाओ ताकि वो list आगे आगे reuse हो सके. And then उसके बाद of course you do your.
What's your motivation of building the startup? Power, fame, money. Any thoughts on these 3 things?
I think for us,
Great question, right?
yeah. You know, for me, I think it might be different for both of us.
Yeah, that's fine.
You know?
Maybe individually. Let's start with the ladies.
I think the motivation for building this particular startup first was that I love getting cash back. I actually don't shop without cash back, and I like the product. So it was कि तुम लोग सब भी करो ना, क्यों नहीं कर रहे? Why are you missing out?
I saw even to the team you told, cash back lo yaar.
Exactly. Like why would you miss out? You know. So A is actually the desire for others to experience the same product. Second is money, because I think that you know you can actually make good money if you run a good business. You know, and I want to have that profitable business which actually generates money. जैसे हमारे fathers ने किया है, हमारा पूरा घर चलता है. उस एक्चुअली उनकी भी तो कभी स्टार्टअप रही होगी. अब हम लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं माय फादर इज इन बिजनेस, ही इज बिजनेसमैन. अरे बट नाउ वी नो व्हाट दैट मींस. इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट.
It was a startup at some day.
It was a startup at some point, and we used to go ask for everything from chart paper to mobile phone to foreign trip, you know, and they funded everything. So today our startup is not profitable. I think it will be soon because we're almost there, but it is you know, it's a real business that should pay its real bills, right? So the money you can get through it. I think fame is a byproduct, and I think fundraise, fame are, I mean, there are lots of ways to achieve it. It doesn't, you don't have to kill yourself for it, which startup makes you do. So you have to want, you know, the something else beyond that as well.
What's your answer, Rohan?
You know, for me, I think
By the way, जो भी कहने वाला है ना अच्छा कहने वाला है, तो मैं Me Too भी लगाने वाली हूँ उसके अंदर. Disclaimer.
For me, I think it's just the love of the game, yaar. I think every day you get hit by a challenge. You're constantly being challenged to better yourself. You're constantly learning. You can't, you know, so the number of things you push yourself to learn, behavioral changes, how do you manage people, how do you manage motivation, how do you manage everything, right? And I just find that every day brings with it so much excitement that I'm just loving doing it. Now, do I have my bad days? Absolutely, right? Do I have days where I'm like, yaar, naukri kar leta na, I would have earned 5x more. My life would be so much easier, right? And you know, a lot of times I think when we get together as entrepreneurs, we joke about it, right? कि भाई नौकरी में इतना आराम है, right? And but I think the fact that every day is so exciting, right? So for me, the journey, and obviously, look, money hopefully is an outcome to it, fame hopefully an outcome to it, but the fact that you know you're doing so much and you're in some sense, you know, you're hopefully shaping people's lives. I love it when you know, I meet ex-Cash Crow folks who come in and say that, you know what, that journey was great, right? The investment that you did in us was great. So a lot of it is just satisfaction that there is something really meaningful, and you know, may not be meaningful in a broader sense, but very meaningful to me that I'm doing everything.
And I also think
Me Too लगा दो. अच्छा आंसर दिया है.
पता था मुझे अच्छा ही देने वाला है. हमने शुरू किया था when, you know, with his vision only.
No, but I like that answer. Self-improvement.
Yeah.
I love it because it is that. डेली हम इतना इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं कि कल यार उससे ना थोड़ा बात ढंग से कर लेते ना यार, तो ठीक रहता। या फिर यार वो मीटिंग में वो शिट वो मिस कर दिया यार, वो बोल देता, एंड दैट्स अ लर्निंग, नेक्स्ट टाइम कर लेंगे।
No, but I also think it's why we do it is one thing, but what makes us very happy is also when you see the impact, right? The people who we are interviewing on the Bad Podcast, I mean, I'm sitting across and thinking ki, like, I don't make 35 lakhs a month for sure, but he does, and that's amazing, right? And then he's like, you enabled me to do it, and I'm like, really? Wow. Like, wow. And it's not only him. I mean, we have given out 1,000 crores in real cashback so far via Cash Karo.
4 करोड़
1,000 crore
भारत देश की जनता में बांटे आपने।
लिटरली जो कूपन सेविंग्स ओवरऑल सेविंग्स तो अलग है, दिस इज रियल कैश। एंड जैसे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं अर्न करो के 100 करोड़ उनमें हम बांट चुके हैं अभी तक। So that amount of real cash has gone back to people's lives, and we get stories of people जिन्होंने बाइक खरीदी, ट्रिप पे गए, मोबाइल फ़ोन खरीदा, ट्यूशन क्लासेस की पेमेंट करी, क्या क्या किया, राइट? सो why not?
Yeah, that's my impact also. जब मैं अपने ड्राइवर पार्टनर से मिलता हूँ, जिप पायलट से, जो लाख रुपए कमाते हैं 2-wheeler चला के डिलीवरी करके, वो अच्छा लगता है।
Absolutely. And it's the employment that you are creating, and look, you're doing it at a massive scale. That's because look, the reality is now that that Loom guy, right? I think he's Vinay, right? And वो बोल रहा है कि भाई मेरा पर्पस चला गया।
The joy, the daily grind.
But that's why when you meet entrepreneurs, right? See, now we have an entrepreneurs friend gang, right? Exactly. I mean, you are also a part of it, but that's the thing. You meet anyone once and you feel like you already know everything because you know exactly what they are going through. It's an instant connect. It's an instant connect. So I feel ki there is so much that this entrepreneurship journey has given us. And I mean, I had a kidney transplant 2.5 years ago, same time when we were fundraising for our Series C 130 crores, right? And I think tab tak, because of my entrepreneurship journey, I was active on Instagram, and I've been sharing over time deals and all. I haven't been like a active content creator with a purpose as an influencer. I've just been sharing my own journey and Cash Karo deals also, which I'm genuinely using. But that time I actually shared my transplant journey as well, because I felt that there is a certain authenticity that you must always bring to the table, and that is what was I mean, my entrepreneurship journey had given me that confidence to do it, and to further impact lives. And since then I have seen about 20 kidney transplants on my Instagram profile, where people have come and said, we're so inspired seeing how you managed it, we're inspired seeing your mom who donated a kidney. I've got so many such cases. So with enabling each other, we actually end up doing so many other things. It's all a byproduct of these entrepreneurship journeys that we've taken up. Exactly.
As a couple, बनाना चाहिए स्टार्टअप या नहीं बनाना चाहिए?
मेरा आंसर तो yes है, absolutely.
Absolutely yes. Look, I feel so I'll tell you where it works and where it doesn't work in my view.
मुझे भी feedback मिलने वाली शायद.
See, I think it works beautifully with Swati and I because our skills are different. There are areas of common understanding, right? But we are both very differently skilled at different areas, and we like different areas, right? I love product, I love tech. Swati is great with investors, brand, marketing. Like the stuff she does on social, like मैं तो कैमरा आएगा मैं बोलूँगा यार ये क्या.
No, you are also very good, by the way. He just doesn't do it enough,
but we complement each other, right? But at the same time, we have deep respect for each other, so that we're able to realize that, look, if other person is disagreeing or saying something, then there is a very core reason for it, right? So that respect is very, very important. Complementary skill sets are very important because you're not trying to do the same thing, you're trying to complete the puzzle better, right? And I think that's why it works. And the other areas that automatically get wiped out are, there's no, trust is the highest you can get, right? Yeah. You are able to understand each other better. So imagine if you're doing this journey where you're doing that hard grind, and you come back home and your partner has no idea about good day, bad day, what are you going through emotionally, it's right, everything is happening, right? So today we are completely in sync, right, of what to do. We're able to discuss things, we're able to, like, I think we understand each other so much better for this journey. So I think it's,
And you have a lot more respect also for each other because of the journey, because you see how much you are doing for your passion, for your shared goal,
And you're together in it.
and you are together in it. I think, it works unless you're a couple that, अगर normally आपकी बहुत लड़ाई होती है, normally आपके arguments होते हैं, normally you can't see eye for eye, or if you have ego issues, then maybe being a co-founder together is not for you. हमारी generally normally काफ़ी peaceful relationship है, तो इसलिए business में भी वो translate होती है, and see, we both don't have egos, we both are okay to say हाँ ठीक है ये तुम्हारा domain है, you do it, it's okay, yeah, that's important. You have to let go also thoda, for each other, so then only that equality can be there. And I think that's why if you are coming from a base of friendship and trust and peace, then आप उसको आगे ले जा सकते हो by doing a business together. पर अगर आपको अपने base में खुद ही पता है कि मैं तो, like, some people who meet, they're like, we are good as a couple but I can never work with this person, then don't, because you already know that कि it won't work. Don't. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसी चीज़ें तो सबको करनी चाहिए, सबके लिए नहीं है.
but when it happens, it's lovely.
कंटेंट क्रिएशन के बारे में क्या बोलोगे आज की दुनिया में? आई थिंक you building something is just what I just learned. And marketing, content creation, founders को बनाना चाहिए, नहीं बनाना चाहिए, क्यों बनाना चाहिए, धंधा, content, too many things happening.
If it comes naturally to you, do it. It's not a must-have to succeed, but if you enjoy it, yes, it adds value. But so there are lots of ways to succeed. This is not the only one. So if you are pushing yourself and it's like, वो लोग कैसे करते हैं, मुझसे नहीं होगा, मत करो. I mean, I haven't seen the physics वाला founder make content, but what a kick-ass business, what a great company, right? I mean, Kamats have come to the picture now. इतने साल तो
They were hidden, they were under the radar.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि ज़रूरी है करना, लेकिन जो लोग कर रहे हैं और अच्छा भी कर रहे हैं, then that's also great. So it has to lend to your own personality, to your own interest, because there are many things in life and in business that you will be pushing yourself for. This doesn't need to be one of them.
Towards the end, because काश से आकाश पे ना हम business ideas जरूर देते हैं, right? तो क्योंकि young entrepreneur जैसा आपने कहा, ideas की तलाश में है. Any sectors, any ideas that you think are hot, that entrepreneur should think about, maybe in AI, in marketing, tech.
I think climate tech is very hot because there are so many problems to be solved, because हम सब कुछ बेच लेंगे, deals भी दे देंगे, share कर लेंगे, but healthier living is important, and it's something that we owe to future generations. So if people can solve those bigger problems, why not?
हम है ना?
Exactly.
Actually, I'll think of. So I think AI is obviously the sort of hot thing, right? I believe there is a lot that one could do leveraging that.
Yeah.
Whether it's through content creation, whether it is disrupting areas that are very sort of training or labor intensive. Obviously, some of that disruption is going to come at a cost. In terms of people losing jobs, etc. So I think that's a hard reality to look at. But AI can go way beyond, right? So for example, healthcare mein, we're already seeing a lot happen in the AI space. But if you think about it, today if you're in a small town, right, you may have a condition where you're saying that, look, मुझे क्या हो रहा है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. You'll get a blood report. But you're now dependent on somebody that you're not really sure about as a doctor to say कि यार क्या हो क्या रहा है मेरे को. There is so much data out there, right, which is sitting with hospitals, which can now give you a fairly good, accurate diagnostics on what is actually happening, right? And I think there is so much stuff to be done, thought around that side. We met somebody who is trying to disrupt agri, basically making better seeds. Right? Now that's such a non-sexy area. In fact, one of the areas that I keep thinking about is that if you go to non-sexy areas, those are the places where people are not really going in.
But solve real problem.
But solve real problem, right? भारत में इतनी problems हैं, farmer को problem है, हाउसवाइफ्स को प्रॉब्लम है, टीयर 2 में प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, एजुकेशन में प्रॉब्लम है, so much to solve. So you have to figure out a problem that you feel. Now, look, when I sometimes think, okay, is there another business idea? I think recruitment and hiring is broken, right? And look, I feel it, right? I've obsessed on it so much, and I feel that, I can probably kill it.
He tells me,
भाई कोई फाउंडर अगर इस स्पेस में काम करना चाहता है तो रोहन से जाके मिल लो. he'll help you build.
you have an angel investor here.
Comes from that place where, look, I face a problem, I want to solve a problem, right? And I think that's the genesis of great ideas, right? Problem देखो, solve करो. तो lending में, fintech में बहुत सारी चीजें.
Too many areas. Yeah, just get into it. In fact, I don't know whether you saw the latest feature of Gmail, right? Which is summarizing. So there's a small summarize the email. There's an email trail of 20 emails. You click summarize the email. It'll give you the entire trail in 3 bullets. That this is the guy who initiated. This is the action. One of the emails when I read, it said that, hey, these are the 2 points. The third, the final objective of this email is still not closed. That was the 3rd bullet, which is still under discussion. That's so amazing. The power of AI.
That's what Firefly is doing for us as well, right?
Absolutely. Firefly is all the calls you will record, and then you have a summary.
And also tells you what are the action items for every person, what are the decisions made. I'm like, wow, what a great concept now. And AI today has made it so easy, right? There are businesses that are fundamentally, let's say, multilingual. Can somebody just take Fireflies and convert it into a multilingual product? Because Fireflies may not be solving Tamil.
बस घुस जाओ, बहुत opportunity है ना? Awesome. On that note, thank you so much, guys. It was so much fun chatting with you guys. The passion was, exuding from you guys. Time का पता नहीं लगा. हम usually कोशिश करते 1-1.25 घंटा, but I think have stretched that time. But it was so much fun, and I could have continued. But it's just the time, maybe another time. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for
Thank
having us.
you.
Thank you.